I will talk about how can you change your gender on your Waplog app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on this sign down here and you just click on it. So then you come here to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on changer here, just click on it. And you just click here on changer. So when you just click on it, just switch in here to show for you. So then it's going to show for you like this, and here can you, if you want to change your gender here, if you are male or female here, then you click here on the. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.